Hi guys, welcome to live intraday trading 13 January. I have shorted Eicher Motor today as super trend is giving sell signal and it is trading below the VWAP line. That's why I have shorted this stock. It is showing support at 2862 level. Here I have shorted IndusInd Bank 30 quantities. You can see at an average of 928. IndusInd is also giving short sell signal in super trend and also on 20 exponential moving average and VWAP. It is below all these things. That's why I have shorted. Both of these stocks are showing same kind of pattern. Here I have shorted Tata Steel also. You can see, and above this red candle I have to exit my position in IndusInd Bank. Tata Steel is also showing sign of bearishness today. Let's see what happens. I have to exit both Eicher Motor and IndusInd positions. Now I am only waiting in Tata Steel as both has hit my stop loss. Tata Steel is trading below VWAP, so I am holding this position. We have to close the loss positions in small losses, and in profit we have to hold our positions. So both of the stocks have given me small losses and I have closed now. Tata Steel is falling and it is giving me a profit of 101 rupees. Let's see. My target is 691. I have placed the bid of 691. You can see on daily chart it has made a pin bar. That's why I am shorting Tata Steel today, and here I have shorted ICICI Bank also at 558. On chart it has given a good up move and after that it is making some red candles. That's why I have shorted it. The stop loss is very small, that is of day high. I think there can be a dip after this huge rally. That's why I have shorted this stock. My target in ICICI Bank is done and now I am holding position in Tata Steel. It has given up moves, so I have added some more quantities on short side. I have shorted 20 quantity in Eicher Motor also again. I have shorted it at 2872 price. You can see here the order 28722.20. Expecting a dip in Eicher Motor also. Now Tata Steel has moved against my side. You can see it has given a rejection on 20 exponential average and it is hunting the green candles. So I think there can be a good fall in Eicher also. Holding both positions. I have closed 10 quantity in Eicher Motors, and on Tata Steel on hourly chart it has made first candle as pin bar and now a red candle is eating the low of green candle, so it is showing a good sign of bearishness till now. Let's see what happens next. This is the intraday trend line and it has broken the support of trend line also. So there should be a good dip in this stock as per price action. Right now I have closed Eicher Motor position at break even cost only, and now only I am holding position of Tata Steel. Right now I am in a profit of 44 rupees. There is no big movement. I am still waiting. I have increased quantities of 50 in Tata Steel. You can see Eicher Motor is also below the trend line, but I am not shorting as it is on super trend. Hi guys, you can see here I have shorted Maruti stock in 10 quantities. My average is 8188. It is running in a profit, and I have closed 5 quantity, and I took position in Nifty put also today. You can see here I have bought 14350 put option in Nifty at 17.60. This is chart of Nifty. Today Nifty index has given a nice fall, so I have bought a put option as it has given a rejection candle. Currently I am in 370 rupees profit, and Maruti is also falling as well. You can see the put option is above the VWAP line and it is giving momentum. My target is at 19 rupees 80 paisa in this put option. Let's see if it hits my target or not. Target in Maruti is done, and also the target of put option is done. Both position have closed and I am in profit of around 700 rupees. You can see guys, this is the Maruti trade. Now Tata Steel is also falling. It is right now trading at 698 rupees and it has made a new low. But I have only 20 quantities left with me because the sudden up move came in Tata Steel and I got loss in all position. Now I have closed my all positions and my target in Tata Steel is also done. It has made a new low at 793. So I am done for the day guys. I have made a profit of 805 rupees. Thanks.